like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll post daily videos of incoming inventory, new vehicles arriving, 50 to 70 a week, all makes, all models, foreign and domestic. Right now you're looking at a 2020 Acura MDX freshwater flood damage vehicle that we're in the process of repairing. So as you can see, the water level was low, there's no condensation in the lights. Engine compartment is clean, no corrosion, no rust. We already checked the motor, we checked all the, make sure there's no water in the engine, we checked the intake, pull the plugs on there, change the fluid, change the filters, change the cabin filters, change all the fluids in the car just to make sure it's right before we start it. Do a quick walk around. Body's clean. There's some final touches we're doing on the vehicle right now. Everything works. I think we got to replace one seat motor. The driver's front seat isn't working. There's no warning lights on, no check engine lights on. We actually removed the entire interior, replaced the carpet, placed dehumidifiers in the interior just to make sure that all the condensation is out. New carpets, new foam. Body's got a little scratch here. We'll probably wet sand and compound that as best as we can. Body's clean. Sunroof. Take a look inside. So we reassembled the interior, detailed it, sanitized it. It smells like new in here. There's no odor, no smell. Again, the water level is very low, but we replaced the carpet. We put brand new carpet in it, so gets rid of any moisture. It's a 7-passenger. As you can see, the front seat's a little forward. It's stuck in that position. We ordered a new seat motor for it. And that should be done hopefully today. New floor mats. But it runs perfectly. There's no warning lights on. It's turned out to be a really nice vehicle. Great SUV for somebody that needs one for the winter. We'll post it on the website once it's done. We offer financing on the vehicles we rebuild. It'll go through the state inspection process as well. Keep you posted. Thanks for watching.